So today I'm going to be recreating this Janelle Monae Inspired high bun with no gel. Just stay with me, okay? Let's go through this together. I think I should have about 2 videos on my channel on how I blow dry my hair. So I'm using a brush to smoothen it. And we want to tie this somewhere around here, so we're going to hold it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this little whatever. Just look for any band, something that's very firm, something you'll be able to tie your hair with, which will hold the hair very firm. Just using a rubber band on blow dry hair, I don't think it's going to be that firm, so you might end up having to do this so many times and get frustrated. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know what I'm about to do, but something tells me that I can use this she is Balm collection, this hair wax stick. I got this thing on Amazon. I didn't even know a lot of people are using it. I'm going to try my luck. Hey, my hair is white though, that's the thing about this hair wax, but I think it can lay my hair and you know, just to reduce the flyaways. I'm going to apply this just a little bit and I'll brush it, because any other thing is going to wet my hair and I don't want that. Going in with the Secret Nourishing Hair Oil just to reduce this white whatever that I have going on. So damn, yeah, to increase shine and reduce the whiteness. And I don't know if I'm misleading you guys, but let's see how this goes. And yeah, I'm just going to start with one portion, and it's going to go under, beneath. I carry God, so I fear nothing. I'm going to take the other one. I'm going to take the other one towards the opposite direction. Alright, so I'm going to take this part up here and try to push it down in the middle. Okay, I'll put it like this. I'm trying to push this down a little bit so it doesn't look so separated. So I put the pin inside here. Okay, that's working, that's working. The pin is a magician. Okay. Oof. So let's get to the most difficult part, which is where we actually get to put the, I got this from Zara, I think last year, either last year or in 2022, but you can get this on Amazon. I've given up on the lash glue. Kiss brush on nail glue. I'm putting just a little bit of the lash glue, just a little bit, the nail glue, sorry. I'll just add some of the rhinestones because some of them came out, but my hair looks. If you watched to this point, thank you so much for watching. I deeply appreciate it. I create natural hair content and fashion content, so if you want to see more of that, please subscribe and please like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.